all chapter name atoms and molecules chapter. All samples of carbon dioxide contain carbon and oxygen in mass ratio 3:8. This is an agreement with law of conservation of mass? नहीं. Constant proportion? Yes. Both A and B? None of these. I think B is the answer. First B. First is B. You can see in your book. The law of conservation of mass was given by Lavoisier. Second C. If the mass of reactant is equal to the mass of product, then which of the following statement is true? Law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass holds good. Yes, A is correct. Mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. Yes, it's also true. There is no change in mass during a chemical reaction. Yes, all of this. Third. Yes, third is D. Let me see. Third D. Which postulate of Dalton's atomic theory suggests the law of conservation of mass? कौन सा postulate है? Atoms can be divided? नहीं. All matter is made up of very small particles called atom. ये तो नहीं कर रहा था. Elements consist of atoms combined in fixed ratio. ये भी नहीं कर रहा था. Atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. ये D. Fourth D. Yes. And आंसर देखना मत, मैं भी नहीं देखता हूँ. आंसर देखा या कुछ किया गड़बड़. 5 questions you will solve and will play the video and will watch that what is my approach. These all theory. These all are theory, you know. I think you can do by your own self also. The first scientist to use the symbol of elements was Dalton. Fifth is A. Fifth is A. Which among the following statement is not in accordance with Dalton's theory? Okay, atoms are a smallest particle. Which among the following statement is not? Okay, तो ये तो गलत हो गया. Atoms of different element have different mass. ये भी गलत हो गया. ये तो सही है. Atoms of same element can have different masses. Atoms of same element will have the same mass. It is saying different mass. 6. C. 7. The atom of which one of the following element exists in free state? Free state में तो hello हीनी अर्कर जीरन inert gas हीनी अर्कर जीरन हीलियम है. 7th B. 8th. Which of the following is not represented by chemical symbol? Size of the atom element, name of the element. Name of the element symbol में होता है. Definite mass of the element वो भी होता है. None of the size होगा. 8th. 9th. Which of the following molecules represent a double bond? H2 में तो let me see. H2 में तो सिंगल बॉन्ड है. देखो मैं क्यों सिखाया 9th क्लास में. दिया है इसमें और मेरे को सब O2 में 6 होगा ना. 2 ये डबल बॉन्ड है. That's why I had discussed all these things to all of you. Okay, this is 7. This is also 7. So here it will be single bond. So which is 9th is B. 9th is B. 10th. Atomicity of phosphorus P4 है. P4 4 होता है. 10th is C. 10th is C. A compound is formed by combination of atoms of at least 4, 3, 5, 2. Compound 2 दो जरूरी होगा. D is the answer. 12D. You can see 12D. Atomicity of H2SO4 4, 1, 5, 2, 7. 13B. 14. Atom can exist in the form of molecules, ions, both A and B. C, both है. C आंसर होगा. 14C. 15. How many atoms of oxygen are contained in 10 molecules of sulfur dioxide? Atoms. सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड SO2 3, इसमें 3 है, 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो कितना हो गया 30. 15 is C. Okay. And 16, the chemical name of milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide. 16A. I think if you'll try, you can do. The formula of compound formed by combination of carbon and sulfur is expected to be. कार्बन ये रहा, सल्फर ये रहा, S2 लेते हैं इसकी वे, इसका कार्बन का 4, सिंपल रेशियो में करो 2 1, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई CS2, सल्फर 16 है, CS2 17A. Okay. 18. The vacancy of metal is 4. Valency. Okay, you will be very careful while are you going through this book. I am not finding it totally correct. And whatever the competitive book you will find, there will be some kind of the error, and you can easily find that error if you are a student. Okay, तो 4 मेटल की 4 है वैलेंसी. एंड द फॉर्मूला ऑफ फॉस्फोरिक एसिड इज H3PO4. ये H3PO4 है, H3PO4 यानी H होगा और PO यहाँ 4 होगा, यहाँ पे 3 होगा, तो PO4 का 3 है. ठीक है. ब्लर हो गया यार. Then Miss 18. Okay, so you are finding metal is 4 and PO is how much? 3. Cross multiply, you will find M3PO. I'm sorry, this is PO4. PO4. And formula is that PO4. H3PO4. H3PO4. हाँ सही तो किया था मैंने. I'm sorry. यहाँ पे PO4 होगा ना, PO4 होगा, मैंने लिखना वो उसका कितना आ रहा है 3 आ रहा है, इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, सॉरी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, M3PO4 होल 4. कौन सा है M3PO4 होल 4. 18D. 19. व्हाट इज द ग्राम मोलिकुलर मास ऑफ H2SO4? 98 आएगा, ये याद होना चाहिए. 98 क्लास में ही बताया था. लेट मी सी. H2SO4 2 सल्फर कितना है +16. ऑक्सीजन कितना होता है 8 दूना 16, 16 चुका 64, 16 2 8 18 12. कुछ गलत किया है मैंने, यहाँ 32 होगा, सॉरी 16 दूना 32 ना, 4 2 6 1 8 और 9 98 U. ग्राम मोलिकुलर मास पूछ रहा है तो U को यू विल राइट इन ग्राम. 98 ग्राम. 19B. 20. Which of the following has the smallest mass? Very important है. 4 ग्राम ऑफ हीलियम, ये तो 4 ग्राम दे दे रहा है. इतना एटम्स ऑफ हीलियम, 1 atom of helium, 1 mole atom of helium. I think you should think about this problem, and I'm not going to say the answer of it. It will be 1 atom of helium. Why you will find by your own self. Okay, the formula weight of FeSO4.7H2O. सभी का एटॉमिक मास दिया हुआ है, कैलकुलेट कर लेना. The atomic number of two elements X and Y are 20 and 17 respectively. The molecular formula of compound formed by them. So you are finding atomic number. This is all you can do, I think now. 20 है, कैल्शियम होगा ना 2 8 8 2, वैलेंसी कितना आया, एक्स का 2 आ गया इतना, y is how much 17, y is 17. अब you know 17 is chlorine. Now you should not think right now, just go in fast way. xy2, by looking to the question you should be able to kill it. xy2, okay, it's not that much tough you are thinking. 22a, only if you are not doing it then it will be, I don't know. Mass of 2 moles of carbon dioxide is CO2 है, CO2 44 आता है, देख लो 12 16 दूना 32, 12 44 आएगा, 44 U है. 1 मोल में कितना होगा, 1 मोल ग्राम के बराबर होगा, यानी 44 ग्राम. और ये कितना पूछ रहा है, 2 मोल पूछ रहा है, तो 2 मोल में कितना होगा 88 ग्राम. ओके, यू कैन मेक योर शिट. व्हाट इज द मास ऑफ 6.023, देखो यहाँ 23 दिया है. ओके, और मैंने O22 बताया था, यहाँ O23 है. 21 एटम्स ऑफ गोल्ड. एटॉमिक वेट इतना दिया हुआ है, कितना दिया हुआ है, AU का 197 ग्राम. तो 1 मोल is equals to 197 gram, means this 6.022 into 10 to power 23 atoms will have mass 197 gram, and they are saying 6.023 into 10 to power 6.023, यहाँ 23 कर लो, मैंने भी 23 याद है मुझे. 21 atoms, just a unitary खेल, unitary method, simple mathematics. 197 6.023 into 10 to power 21 divided by 6.023 into 10 to power 23. This will get cancelled out, and your 197 into 10 to power minus 2, which will give you 1.97. Okay, miss, you can do it all. Now you will never forget to. No. In competition, don't make equal to all these things. Just go to the answer. Okay, 1.97 gram. It will come in that gram. Now only this is gram. This is gram. Okay, 25 मुझे नहीं आ रहा है अभी, बाद में बताएंगे. और ये this is part 1. Okay, in the second part, means you can complete all that 50 question, and your chemistry half chapter will get finished within this 1 hour.